sorry.
Don't worry, I love your ears.
Oh, thank
You
you.
went to Disney, Tokyo.
Yeah, you know.
Get it there. Yeah.
Oh.
Exclusive to Tokyo rin.
I've
Ah.
seen so many exclusive ears, and they're so reasonable.
Yeah.
I love it. I went home with a lot.
Oh.
All right, so I'm guessing you're here for today's Maker or Mickey ears.
Yeah?
What time?
Oh, I'm sorry. Is there a reservation?
There's reservations. We have space.
Okay. There's a schedule, Renee, so we come back here at 10:30 a.m. Okay? 10:30. Lagi.
Yeah.
A.m.
Ask my friends real quick. Come on over and
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
She wants to join.
How many is in your party? Just how many ears will we be building?
3.
3?
Do we need to pay for the ears?
Yes, it is a premium experience. So for no lights, it is $27. Light up is $37.
Can we?
You just want
yeah,
the
only
one
one.
ears? Yes, of
Yeah.
course.
All right.
And just one, yeah?
Yeah. Yay.
What is the first name of the one that will be building the ears?
Renee.
R-E-N.
I'll give this back to you. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Put it here first.
You have to choose.
Choose which of that you like. Unavailable.
Available is
This one.
trad black and silver. Silver or black?
Black lang din. This one's better than black or black.
Let's have
Okay.
all black.
Okay.
And
I'm
then-
gonna write it down. Black.
We have these. You can choose. Ooh.
Okay, and then choose your accessories, Dai. 5.
You can choose 5. Oh, you want the
Large
large
plumeria.
pink yellow plumeria.
Large. What's that? Pink or
You want the
yellow
coral one, Renee? Or wait a second.
plumeria.
Okay, the purple plumeria.
Purple lang nakasuot. Large.
Large purple plumeria. You want to choose another flower?
Plumeria.
Yeah.
What's ba diri? Unsang tumbo niya diri?
Oh, you choose only one bow, Dai. That one, the peppermint bow.
What bow?
That one? Okay,
Okay.
the peppermint bow. Okay. How about choose 2 small flowers, Dai?
2 small
Yeah.
flowers?
How about you don't want the hibiscus? This one?
Oh, okay.
How about that one? That one. You want the hibiscus?
Which
Pakita
one?
ba?
Choose 2. Okay, orange hibiscus and the white. You don't want the pink and yellow
You don't need the bow,
hibiscus?
Dai? You don't want the bow?
Nana siya bow, peppermint bow.
Kato din nga bow yan.
Oh.
Oh, sige, okay.
And then what's the other color, Dai, of your hibiscus?
Orange? Oh.
White? You want white? Okay, yay.
It's hot and ready to go. But what you want to go ahead and do is kind of, my name is Shizuka. I'll be kind of walking with you guys, helping you guys out. But the first step that you guys want to take is to open up your packaging, make sure that everything in your pack, you're right over here. Make sure that everything is correct. If it is, you want to go ahead, kind of brainstorm how you want to put together your guys' ears, okay? So kind of lay it out, and once you like the look of it, then you'll go ahead and start gluing. So we do have a few samples. I like to do the greenery first. So what I'm here to
Come on, Dai.
I'll lay out my greenery like this, right? Glue, put it down, glue, put it down. We are working with the hot glue, so work in sections, okay? Once I'm done with the greenery, then I'll flip my ears over and then kind of place it, like put the glue directly on the accessory and kind of place it down, okay? But let me know if you guys need any help or questions or anything like that.
Okay.
Thanks.
Awesome. Thank you. Okay, check, Renee, if all your accessories are there.
They all
Eh,
They're just all here.
Is everything there?
Wow.
Count how many flowers like.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe we can put this in the middle. Yes.
Oh
We put this
Oh, no.
there. And then, where do you want to put this? Here, like that. And then like that.
Oh, so pretty.
Nice. Like that. And like that. What do you think?
Looks nice.
Okay, let's put the greenery first. Okay. Here. Okay.
Good job, Dai.
Awesome.
Oh, that's enough.
Oops, that's enough.
Okay.
Oops. Oh,
Oh, no, 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 no. Please. 1-4.
I would not have found that.
Oh, no, no. There you go.
okay. Okay, 2 more. Good job, Dai. That
Okay,
there.
nice. Okay.
See? Okay, put some more. More. Oh, sorry, Dai. Here on the side.
Oh no, I think I forgot my Barbie doll.
What Barbie doll?
Mom, wanna put flowers in?
It's okay. That's for the house, Dai. Okay, that's Renee, you don't need it here. You're gonna be swimming.
Hey, Dai. Okay. Look at that,
Okay.
Dai. Look at that, Dai. Look. Alrighty.
Okay, push it.
Okay.
Awesome.
Oh, I accidentally had to touch green. Oh.
Donald Duck is at 145.
What? Don't.
Okay, hang on there.
Oh, it's like a wreath. Okay.
You wanna wait a minute, let it dry, or it will stick to your hair. You wanna put more green?
Papitli dali, papitli dali, pwede matagap.
Look at the snowflakes.
Hang on there. Minute. Ooh, we have some pencil. Is it okay to get some? Yes. Is it okay? Here you go. All right, we have crayons. Rafa, here you go. Rafa, love, here you go.
Crayons. Crayons, no.
Are you happy? Can I see? Yay! Okay,